2025 potato harvest is in full swing. They're coming out of the ground. It's finally dry enough that we can dig. And we're getting a bounty. What do you got, buddy? Lots of taters coming out of the ground. We gotta go all the way down to the bottom. So we're gonna be at it for a while. You wanna show your taters? Those are nice potatoes. Anyway, the plan, keep digging them here, and then we're going to lay them on the lawn, dry them out, and then put them in the root cellar.